Good morning, students. Today we are going to start next way by which we are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. In last video, I was explained about the if new partners is entered in business and they are taking his ratio in any share and our ratios are second equally. Okay. Now I am going to third. How to going to calculate? A third case will come. So how to going to calculate new profit sharing ratio? That is the particular ratio, and it means any set ratio. Okay, beta? Any set ratio given in the question. It means they are not equal or ratio of old. They are going to some set ratio. So first we are going to start that set ratio. Okay, we are going to take some illustration. Okay, some question, and then we are going to start. Okay, beta? There's a question. There's a question. Arun or share. Okay.
Is equal to.
Tell the question. Question number. Just things A or B are partners. Okay. In this system, they are going to take his ratio in any systematic way. It means any set ratio. Just
A's share is equals to 7 upon 10.
7 upon 10. B share.
7 upon 10.
B share.
B.
Read the question only.
B share is 3 upon 10.
3 upon 10. Okay. New partner is coming
C.
C. C coming from
2 by 7.
2 by 7. Okay. C is coming from 2 by 7. Okay. And then this 2 by 7 is taken from A. Which ratio? In 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Just tell about the question. 1 by 7 and 3 by 7.
Yes.
1 by 7 and 3 by 7. Okay, beta? 1 by 7 and 3 by 7.
Yes.
Okay? 1 by 7 and 3 by 7. 1 by 7 from A and 3 by 7 from B. Okay, beta? Clear? In this way, in this question, we are going to calculate directly 1 by 7 from less from the 7 by 8 from part of A. Okay, beta? And then 3 by 7 just the part of the B. Okay? Clear? Directly less. A share 7 by 10 minus 1 by 7. B share 3 by 10 minus 3 by 7. Okay? Clear? Less this amount 70 10 times 7 times 49 minus 10 70 7 times 21 minus 10 times 30. Okay? Clear? Then what this amount is coming? That amount is coming 39 upon 70 and 9 upon 70. It's coming in minus, it means it's a gain and it's a sacrifice. Okay, beta? And C share is this 39 upon 70, 7 upon 70, 2 upon 7, 10. It means 39 upon 70, 7 upon 70 and 10 upon 70. It means 39 is to 7 is to 10. Okay? As like that we are going to solve a question. Okay, another question, one more question we are going to see. Tell about the question. Full question, read the full question. Then maybe in next question that gaining and sacrificing is not gain. Okay.
A, B, C were
A, B and C are partners.
in a firm sharing profit ratio is 3 is to 3 is to 2.
3:3:2. Okay. Then D is come.
They determine D as their new partner for fourth seventh profit.
4/7. Okay.
Profit. D acquire his share of 2/7 from A.
2/7 from A and
2/7 from A and 1/7 from B
1/7 from B,
and 1/7 from C.
1/7 from C.
Calculate new
Okay,
profit
beta?
ratio.
On this system, we are going to first add this all number. If this total is equal to 4/7, if total is equal to 4/7, just less from the directly less from the A and B and C. And 2/7, 1/7, 1/7. It means 4/7. Okay. So directly go to less this amount from this ratio from A, B and C. Directly less this ratio. A share 3/8, 3, 3, 2, 8 minus 2/7. B share 3/8 minus 1/7. C share 2/8 minus 1/7. Okay. 56. Okay. 7 times 21, 8 times 16. 56. 7 times 21, 8 times 8. 56, 7 times. Okay, we are going to see one more question. Just think. A and B are partners. Okay. C admit 3:2 ratio. Okay. 3 admit for 1/4 and this is taking from A and B from 3:2 ratio. Okay, beta? 3:2 ratio. Okay. Then in this type of question, first we are going to calculate 3/5 of 1/4 and 2/5 of 1/4. Before that question, we are adding these both, then equal to the ratio of C. So we are not going to calculate the ratios, but here first we are going to calculate 3/5 for 1/4 and 2/5 by 1/4. It's for A and it's for B. A part 1/4 into 3/5, 3/20. Okay. Then A share 3/5 minus 3/20. Okay. This will less from A. So first we are going to calculate 1/4 of 3/5. Then B part 1/4 into 2/5 is equal to 2/20. Then B share 2/5 minus 2/20. It means 20, 24, 12 minus 3, 4, 8 minus 2. It means 9/20 and 6/20. Okay. Set the ratio 9/20, 6/20 and 1/4 is 2 into 5. We need it for equal 9:6:5. Okay. If we are going to totaling of this ratio and that total will not come to equal of the C, then we are going to calculate 5/8 or 3/8 or 2/8 what ratio is given, and then less this ratio from A and B or C, whatever the question is given. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay, now it's clear, na beta? Again I like to repeat, 3:2 ratio is there. First we are getting the part of 3/5 of 1/4. C part 1/4, take the 3/5. 3/20 less this 3/20 from A, 9/20. Then again calculate for C 4/5, 1/4 into 2/5. 2/20 less from B, then 6/20. Set that ratio and ratio is coming 6:9:5. Okay? Clear, beta? Now we are going to see sacrificing or surrendering by old partner. Okay, beta? Now we are going to see surrendering by old partner. When old partners surrender. Okay, tell the question.
Question. A and B are the partners in a firm sharing profit ratio. It's 7:3. C
Okay.
is admitted as a new partner.
Yes, yes.
A sacrifices 2/7 of its share in profits in favor of C, and B
2/7 for C. Okay,
and B 1/7.
1/7 for C. But C ratio is not given, beta. Okay,
Yes.
C ratio is not given. They are given A surrender 2/7 and B surrender 1/7. But C ratio is not given. So it's to sure if we are totaling the surrender amount of A and B, then the total amount is equal to C share. As like that, if A is given 20 rupees and B is given 30 rupees, so total of C is 50 rupees, beta. It's clear? Total of C is 30 rupees. Okay? On this basis, we are going to solve this question. First, we are going to calculate the surrender value, surrender ratio. Calculate the surrender ratio. A surrender 7/10 into 2/7. Okay, he surrendered 2/7. Then 14/70. A surrender 14/70. Okay, so then A share means 7/10 minus 14/70. If you are going to less that amount with surrender by the A, it means you will get the A ratio. Then 70, 49/14. Then B surrender 3/10 into 1/7. It means 3/70. Then B share, तो बेटा B share 3/10 minus 3/70 means 70. 21/3. Okay, 21/3 means 18/70, and here 5, 3, 35/70. Okay, and the ratio of C is equal to C share A surrendering 14/70 plus B surrender 3/70. We are going to total this amount because both are surrender. Both are surrender, then total that amount is equal to the ratio of C. Then 70, 14 plus 3, it means 17/70. Okay, let's take the ratio. Total ratio is A, B and C 37/70, 18/70 and 17/70. It means 37, 18 or 17. Okay, this is the ratio. Okay, clear beta? Again I have to repeat this question. 7 and 3 is ratio and C is coming, but its ratio is not given. A surrender 2/7, B surrender 1/7. Okay, first we are going to calculate 2/7 of A, 14/7. Then this 14/7 less from A. Then we are calculating the ratio of A. Then 1/7 of the ratio of B. 3/10 into 1/7, 3/70. This amount, this ratio will less from B. Then by that we are going to calculate the ratio of B 18/70. And then we are going to calculate the surrender of A and B. This A and B surrender. Okay, we are going to calculate the surrender of A and B. By that we are going to calculate easily C share. Okay, clear? Okay, I will go for take one more question, and then after that we are going for entry also. One more question. I think it's clear. Okay, tell the question.
Arun, Bhushan,
Arun, Bhushan and B
and Chetan
and C
are partners in a firm sharing ratio in 3:2:3.
Okay.
They decided to admit Shehzad as their partner.
S. Shehzad. We are taking the Shehzad for S. Okay.
Arun surrendered 1/3 of his share in favor of Shehzad.
Okay.
Bhushan surrendered 1/4 of his share in the favor of Shehzad, and Chetan surrendered 1/5 of his share favor in Shehzad. Calculate the new profit share.
Okay. First we are going to calculate the surrender value. A surrender 3/32538. 3/8 into 1/3. Okay, beta? 3/8 into 1/3. It means 3/24. Then A share 3/8 minus 3/24. Less this amount 24. 3 times 9 minus 3. It means A ratio is 6/24. Clear? Then B surrender 2/8 into 1/4. It means 2/32. Okay. Then B share 2/8 minus 2/32. 2/8 minus 2/32. It means 32 4 times 4 into 2 8 minus 2. It means 6/32. Okay, clear? Clear? Next, C surrender 3/8 into 1/5. It means 3/40. C share 3/8 minus 3/40. It means 40. 5 times 15 minus 3. It means 12 into 40. Okay. Then we are going to calculate the ratio of S. This, and this. The total of this is ratio of S. It means 3/24, 6/32 and 12/40. Okay, beta? 12/40. Just take the one. Cut this 1/8. 3, 4, 6/32 and cut this by 4. So 4/3/10. 4 3 times 3/10. Okay, and cut this by 2. 2 means 3/16. Here 3/16. Okay, 3/16, 8 and 10. 3/16, 3/8 and 3/10. 16 5s are 80. Take the 80. 10 times plus 5 into 3, 15 plus 8 into 3, 24. It means 9, 49/80. Okay, beta? 49/80. Then set the ratios. 6/24, 6/38, 12/40 and 49 is to 80. Okay? Clear? Try to maintain it up to 80 by 2. Okay? Cut this 24. Cut this also. Then 1/8 is to 3 upon 16 is to 12 upon 80, 24 upon 80 and is to 49 upon 80, then 10 and 5. It means 10 is to 15 is to 24 is to 49. This is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay beta, clear? This is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, clear? New profit sharing ratio is clear? On this we are doing. Clear? Again I have to repeat. Okay, just see 3, 2, 3 ratio is there. 1 upon 3 surrendering, 1 upon 4 surrendering, 1 upon 5 surrender. Okay, 3 upon 8 into 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 upon 24. Less from A, his ratio is 6 upon 24. Then 2 upon 8 into 1 upon 4, 2 upon 32. Less from B, then 6 upon 32 is ratio. C, 3 upon 8 into 1 upon 3, 1 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 40. Less from C, 12 upon 8. Then these all surrender we are added. Then value of C, the ratio of C is coming. Then set the amount. Then ratio is coming. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Thank you.